Okay, folks, we're going to do an update on the weather station, and it's thundering outside right now. We've had 88 lightning strikes since last night at midnight, and 25 miles was the distance. This thing works. I'm not kidding you. And storms likely, that's for sure. Everything's matching up. It's 72 outside. And right now, I'll move over to the charge controller. We're at 14 volts. Solar amps bringing in 0.4. And load amps, nothing. And this thing right here, folks, this Combuck Converter, it's not warm at all. Not warm at all. It's perfect. Does a great job. And I've had it going since the last time I made a video on it. But anyhow, I'm gonna get back to the weather station. But it's a nice weather station for the money, y'all. Nice. And I was in here. I heard the buzzing, the beeping noise, and it was lightning. Then I heard the thunder. I was like, wow, this thing really does do the job. But yeah, I'm really impressed with it. It doesn't burn hardly any energy, and it's great for an off-grid cabin or anything that you have. But yeah, it's right on the money. Doesn't need internet or anything like that. And tells you the rain and barometric pressure, temperature, everything you need to know except for the wind speed. But they have other models. Accurate does. Ambient weather, Davis weather, whatever brand you choose to get. They're all good brands. The ones I like the most are the ones that work. So anyway, all right. Well, we're going to cut this video a little short here. So anyway, y'all, I want to thank y'all for watching my video update on the weather station and how it works. Does a great job. Y'all take it easy now, y'all. All right now. God bless and Semper Fi. Please subscribe, y'all. Hoorah.